What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you a better way to control the brightness of LED without using a microcontroller. A microcontroller needs programming to do this task, but not everybody likes to code. Microcontrollers are not cheap as well. So here's the solution. The 555 timer IC. It is easy to use and inexpensive. Can be used in an amazing number of applications. For example, flashing LEDs, tone generator circuit like a siren. For this project, we need breadboard, 100 ohm resistor, 500 kilo pot, 2 ceramic capacitor, 2 rectifier diode, LEDs, 555 timer IC, and 5 volt power supply. The principle on which it works is the 555 timer has an astable mode. In astable mode, the 555 timer acts as a free running oscillator that generates a square wave continuously. For controlling the brightness, we use the PWM technique, known as pulse width modulation. PWM is a technique that works by driving the LED with a series of on-off pulses and varying the duty cycle. The fraction of time that the output voltage is on compared to when it is off of the pulses while keeping the frequency constant. Changing the on-off timing of these pulses, the brightness of LED can be controlled. The longer the pulse is on, the brighter the LED. And likewise, the shorter the pulse is on, the dimmer the LED. The circuit diagram of this project looks like this. We charge the capacitor through R1, D1 and R2 and discharge it through R2 and D2. The on and off time is decided by the time taken by its capacitor to charge and discharge through resistors. As we slide the pot wiper, we are controlling the charging and discharging time of the capacitor, so we can easily vary the duty cycle of the PWM signal. In this configuration, the period is 1 cycle, thus the frequency will always be the same. R1 resistance is much smaller than the resistance of the pot. In that way, we have 99% control over the charging and discharging resistance in the circuit. As an output at pin 3, we get a PWM signal, which controls the brightness of LED. Now let's see how this circuit practically works. You will find that the LED is on. Try changing pot value and notice the effect. The pot value can change the brightness of LEDs. Alright guys, if you have any questions, ask me in the comment box. Check my website as well. The link is in the description box. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get notified of the upcoming videos.